The Jeep Grand Wagoneer L faces significant challenges, showcasing a market supply of 336 days. This raises critical questions regarding Jeep's pricing strategies and overall market approach. Consumer hesitation emerges as a major factor, with buyers increasingly gravitating towards trusted luxury brands renowned for their reliability and service, instead of newer contenders like Jeep and Alfa Romeo. Similarly, the Alfa Romeo Giulia contends with high inventory levels and reliability issues, as it has over 1,056 unsold units and a market supply of 323 days. The Giulia also suffers from serious brake failure and engine performance issues, which can result in significant damage if not promptly addressed. This has deterred potential buyers. Moreover, the discontinuation of the favored Quadrifoglio variant has left enthusiasts disheartened, compelling them to explore alternatives that promise enhanced reliability and performance. In the competitive landscape, BMW's XM model grapples with declining sales and mixed reviews. Despite being marketed as a high-performance luxury SUV, it struggles to carve out a distinct niche. The market shift towards larger vehicles, driven by families and active lifestyles seeking versatility, presents a threat to compact cars that find it increasingly difficult to compete. Pricing complications further exacerbate this scenario as the Mini Cooper approaches the price range of compact SUVs. Buyers are reevaluating the value of smaller vehicles in light of more spacious alternatives. The BMW 5 Series suffers from declining sales as consumer preferences tilt towards SUVs. In addition, safety recalls have significantly undermined consumer confidence in this mid-size luxury sedan. Rising interest rates and economic uncertainty amplify consumer sensitivity to prices, prompting many to lean towards more affordable options or higher-value SUVs rather than luxury sedans. The Jaguar XF's high initial cost coupled with significant depreciation creates psychological barriers for potential buyers who are concerned about future resale value. Conversely, the Fiat 500e struggles due to its compact size, limited range, and premium pricing, making it difficult to compete with larger electric vehicle alternatives. Previous Fiat 500 models from 2013 to 2015 faced severe drivetrain problems, including sudden power loss and stalling, which have severely eroded consumer trust in the brand. Additionally, the high maintenance costs associated with the Fiat 500 raise concerns about unexpected repair bills, which weigh heavily on the minds of prospective buyers. While electric vehicles generally require less maintenance, the Fiat 500's reliability issues pose a unique contradiction, potentially deterring consumers seeking dependable alternatives. The i7's driving range of 318 miles fails to impress when compared to competitors like the Tesla Model S, which easily surpasses 400 miles, introducing range anxiety for potential buyers. Despite boasting a dual-motor setup with 536 horsepower, the i7 must deliver exhilarating performance to compete with traditional luxury sedans, where buyers are increasingly demanding dynamic handling and acceleration. Lastly, the sales figures for the 7 Series reveal a concerning decline, with only 10,810 units sold in 2023, a clear reflection of the shifting consumer interest towards SUVs and crossovers that offer greater versatility.